Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are at the intersection of Passageford Drive, Waterford Parkway and Lee Boulevard, formerly Portmore Parkway, in Portmore, St. Catherine Parish. Straight ahead is Waterford Parkway. We are on Lee Boulevard, and a few meters behind is Passageford and Portmore Town Centre. To the left and right is Passageford Drive. Going left will take you towards Caymanas Garden and other places. Going right will take you onto Dyke Road and towards Jamworld Entertainment Centre. On the left is Waterford Police Station, and to the right is Waterford High School. Also on the left is Waterford Fire Station. Most of the roads will be on the left except for the intersections, and I'll indicate each. Canewood Road, Panton Road, Altamont Road, Portland West is to the left and Portland East is to the right. Sobers Way, Hamden Road, Kent Road, Mento Road, Trelawny West is on the left, and on the right is Trelawny East. Wakefield Road, Blenheim Road, Kendal Road, Eaton Road, on the left is Falmouth West and to the right is Falmouth East. We are now at the northwestern end of Waterford Parkway and will be making a U-turn back to the southeastern end. Litchfield Road, Stettin Road, Warsop Road, Trelawny East is on the left and Trelawny West is to the right. Rodwood Parkway, Port Antonio Road, Drapers Road, Fellowship Road. Portland East is on the left and Portland West is on the right. On the left is Waterford High School. On the right is Waterford Fire Station. Also here on the right is Waterford Police Station. We are back at the intersection of Passage Fort Drive, Waterford Parkway and George Lee Boulevard. We are continuing straight across onto George Lee Boulevard towards Passage Fort and Portmore Town Centre. Entering Passage Fort. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.